buildings at Stanford University. Each level is actually a different building and was built at a different time, but they tried to make sure that it is the same style. The architect first wanted to build something Gothic, but when Senator Stanford actually looked at the designs, he selected something that looked colonial Spanish and fitted California. I mean, after all, the school was in rebellion to the East Coast universities. It was fit that the architecture be in rebellion as well. So if I start from there, the departments of history, communication, anthropology, literature, psychology, and mathematics form the frontage of the university.
What is the stone
This is yellow sandstone.
that's
This is local. This is local. This is colonial Mexican construction. Spanish Mexican construction.